Hey, my money making friend, I have a great one for you all today. It is a $15,000 grant. Better yet, you can apply for this $15,000 grant in less than 5 minutes. And so as I talk about this grant, if you feel like this grant would be perfect for you, then I need you to apply, as this is easy money, some of the easiest money you are ever going to get, and money you do not have to pay back. And so this amazing grant opportunity is brought to you by Jobber. Jobber is an award-winning platform that helps small home service businesses organize their entire operations, from scheduling jobs and managing their crew to invoicing customers and collecting payments. So every stage of the process, they help your business. And fortunately for us, they have decided to go a step further and give over $150,000 to home service businesses. And to give you some details about this grant, there will be 25 grant winners awarded across 4 categories. And the reason why they want to focus on home service businesses, also known as home service heroes, is that they are responsible for keeping homes and offices safe and running smoothly. In addition, they help hardworking people build meaningful careers. And so they want to give back to this community of business owners. And so the 25 grants will range anywhere from $2,500 to $15,000. And this depends on the quality of your application as well as your performance throughout the rounds of this grant opportunity. And one of the things out of the many things that I really like about this grant is that you have the freedom to choose how to use the grant to support your business goals and dreams. And so whether that's needing money to make your business legit and form an LLC, or it's money to pay for marketing or hiring a new employees, you have no limitations when it comes to spending this money. And so in order to apply for this grant, you need to meet a few requirements. 1, you need to be a home service business. And the way Jobber defines a home service is that your business provides a one-time or recurring install, repair, maintenance, or mobile services to clients at residential or commercial properties. Home service businesses do not include businesses that are run out of a home residence. The last grant requirement that you need to know is that you do have to be a US or Canada-based business, and you have to be over the age of 18. And now that we've gotten the requirements out the way, if you are still with me, this grant is a perfect opportunity for you. And it takes less than 5 minutes of your time. And by chance, if you are worried about filling out any part of the application, you can watch the video linked above. ChatGPT can act as a virtual assistant and help you with spell check and grammar. It can also even help you write out content for your grant. So there should be nothing holding you back from securing this money. A very important trait about the grant application that you need to know is the timeline. And so you have until June 8th to apply for this grant. Between June 14th and June 22nd, you will be in phase 2 of the application. This is where they will want a better understanding of your business plan, leadership style, and community impact. Then in phase 3, from June 23rd to July 14th, the judging panel will review applications and look at your online presence to get to know more about you and your top-notch service. When they say online presence, you need to have socials and you need to have a website. And then in mid-July, finalists will be contacted to complete a final round of questions. A very important note is that it is crucial for you to be connected to your email and keep a lookout for any emails that you might get from Jobber or any other grant sponsors. And so in this case, you should receive an email from grants at getjobber.com. And once they complete that final round, they will notify grant winners on July 31st and then publicly announce the winners in August. Last but not least, let's talk about next steps. What I want you to do next is to take a look at the 2022 grant recipients. It will include a brief bio about their company as well as a link to their website. I want you to get inspired so that when you go to answer the questions in this 5-minute application, you will feel energized and inspired to do so. I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace, stay building.